Hello, welcome to this week's video announcements. I'm going to start with a reminder that our stewardship campaign is underway, has been for a couple weeks now. And a big thank you to all of you who have already submitted a pledge for the next church year. So far, we have collected over $170,000 from 53 families. So thanks to all of you who have already made your commitment. If you are not one of those people, please do make sure to make your pledge for next year online or by mail by March 4th. We're really pushing to get things in by March 4th so we can figure out the budget in March this year. And we also invite you to consider making your payments monthly if that works for you, either with auto bank withdrawal or with a credit card. It really helps us have a stable cash flow, so we appreciate it when your pledges come in that way. And of course, we value all your pledges, and we thank you so much for supporting and sustaining this congregation. We really couldn't do it without you. This weekend, on Saturday, Vendra Filata Smith is hosting a viewing of Black Panther at the AMC Tingsboro Theater, followed by a discussion about the movie at 3 p.m. on Sunday here at the church. You can check out the Facebook event or the newsletter for more details about that. This Sunday, we have a service led by some of our worship associates about perseverance and hanging in there for the long haul. It should be really good. I know they've been working hard on it. And we've got regular faith formation classes for children and youth during the service as well. After the service, our long-range planning committee is having their first of 2 cottage meetings from noon to 1:30 p.m., and that's in the dining room. And they're really hoping that you'll come out and to talk about your vision for the UU Church of Nashua 5, 10, 20 years from now. What will it take to better serve our mission and purpose in the greater Nashua community? So lots of room for rich conversation there. They will be serving lunch, and because of that, they need you to sign up by Wednesday. So that's tomorrow, Wednesday, February 14th. So that they can plan for food. So please do sign up on the Sign Up Genius. I'll put the link in the comments below. And you can also sign up already for the March 18th cottage meeting, which will be same format, same questions. We're offering it at 2 times in hopes that we can get a whole bunch of people to contribute to this conversation. Also on Sunday is our monthly community dinner. These dinners have been going on for several years now, and we have 60 to 80 people who we feed every month with these dinners. And we need your help to keep it going. We are needing volunteers and some regular volunteers who can kind of learn the ropes and know what they're doing and might be able to take on a lead role in some of our volunteer spots. So if you are interested in helping out with community dinner, if you've never done it before, if you've maybe done it once or twice in the past, I really encourage you to sign up to volunteer this month or in one of the months to come. It's a really easy way to give back to our community in just a few hours. It's not a big commitment. Each position only lasts kind of 2 to 3 hours. So please do sign up for that. I'll put the link in the comments. And in the evening this Sunday, we have both our youth group and our young adult group are meeting. Our next BLM Discussion Group is happening February 19th. That's next Monday at 7 p.m. in the youth room. And it'll be a conversation about affordable housing and racism. And everyone's invited to that. You don't have to have come to any other conversations. Please join the BLM team for that conversation. The next Immigrant Solidarity Vigil is February 20th. That's Tuesday, 8:30 a.m. to 10 a.m. at the Norris Cotton Federal Building, 275 Chestnut Street in Manchester. I hope to see you there. We have 2 sessions of exploring membership coming up. One is on February 20th, so that's next Tuesday at 7 p.m. The other is on March 11th, which is the second Sunday in March at 11:45 a.m. Both of those are a 1.5 hour session exploring what it means to be a member here at the UU Church of Nashua, talking a little bit about your spiritual journey, and talking about what church community means and what it might mean in your life. It is our one requirement to become a member of the congregation that you attend one of these exploring membership classes. So if you are interested in becoming a member or even thinking about becoming a member of this congregation, I encourage you to sign up for one of those. They'll be the last sessions of exploring membership probably that we are holding this year. And I'll put the Sign Up Genius where you can sign up for those in the comments below. Next Sunday, so not the 18th, but the 25th, I am starting an end of life planning workshop. It's going to be a 3-session workshop, 3 Sunday afternoons in a row. So February 25th, March 4th, and March 11th from 2 to 3:30. So just an hour and a half each of those Sundays. And it'll be an opportunity to talk about all the things we need to think about as we plan for the end of our lives. So we'll talk about wills and burials and obituaries and memorial services and more. It's really valuable to start having these conversations early to really think about what you want the end of your life to look like, and what you want, what resources you want to leave for your family as well. So please sign up for that. I will put the link to the Sign Up Genius in the comments below. I hope that a bunch of you will join me for those workshops. And finally, save the date. Saturday, March 24th is our next Connections Summit from 8:30 a.m. to 12:30 p.m. in the dining room. You can enjoy a potluck breakfast. It's always all kinds of good breakfast goodies there. Then spend some time reconnecting with old friends, making new connections, learning about team happenings, and joining me for a discussion about generational differences in church life. That'll be the big program for that Connection Summit. Stay tuned for more details about that. That's what I've got for this week. If you have anything you want me to include next week, you can feel free to email that to me before 9 a.m. on Tuesday. In the meantime, I hope you have a wonderful week, and I look forward to seeing you soon.